In today's video, I am going to teach you how to turn off recommendations on a Facebook business page. To begin, make sure you are already logged into your Facebook account. Once you are inside Facebook, switch over to your Facebook business page. This is important because the recommendation setting needs to be changed from the page experience, not from your personal profile. After you have switched to your business page, look to the left-hand menu and click on Settings. This will open the main settings area for your page, where Facebook places most of the controls related to visibility, contact options, and page management. Inside Settings, find and select how people find and contact you. This section contains the options that control how your page appears to other Facebook users and how people can discover your business while browsing similar content on the platform. Once you are in that area, scroll down until you reach the section labeled How People Find and Contact You. Take a moment to review the available options there. You are looking for the setting called Allow your page to be recommended to people looking at similar pages. This is the option that lets Facebook suggest your business page to users who are viewing related pages. When you find that setting, turn the toggle off. As soon as you switch it off, Facebook should begin updating the setting automatically. In most cases, you will not need to click a separate Save button. Give it a moment so the change can fully process. After that, check the toggle again to make sure it remains disabled. This confirms that the update was applied successfully. If the toggle stays off, then recommendations for similar page viewers have been turned off for your business page. Once you have confirmed the change, you can return to your Facebook business page. At that point, the process is complete, and the recommendation setting should now reflect your updated preference. This is a simple setting, but it can be useful if you want more control over how your page is surfaced to people across Facebook. Following these steps carefully will help you make the change quickly and verify that it has been applied correctly. Thanks for watching. That covers everything you need to know.